we are outside of the Apple store because the line is really long. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Fame.
My name is Matt.
And this is Fame and Fan. So after an hour that we stand and waiting in a line, we finally got new iPhone. So there's an iPhone 11 in the white color.
This is iPhone 11 Pro in the gray color.
Yes, this year they make it different. Like this box for the iPhone 11 is all white, and the boxes for iPhone 11 Pro is all in the black color. And now we're gonna unbox it. Which
See
one
how
first?
it goes. The Pro, of course, because it's mine, and I waited a while. The iPhone 11 Pro, finally. Oh, that feels good.
Alright. Stop.
Ta-da!
So, just like normal iPhone, that is always open, have the phone on the top. Look at it. Great colors.
I go 3 cameras on the back, as you can see, and a new flash, and there is no home button on the front anymore.
Here inside the box, it have this menu, and this time it come with the fast charge adapter, the lightning headphone, of course, and then the lightning cable.
As you can see, the adapter hole has changed. It's a little bit smaller.
It's not the USB port anymore.
Yes. This is the iPhone 11.
And we're gonna open the box.
And of course, my favorite part, the revealing of the phone.
Oh, it's nice. Nice color. At the same, the phone on top, and then the menu. This one comes with the normal adapter and the same headphone and the lightning cable. Okay, so as you see, iPhone 11 come with only 2 cameras and the same font. Can you peel that off?
Yeah, you ready?
Okay, as you can see, iPhone 11 is shiny, but iPhone 11 Pro is a matte material. In the font, they look exactly the same. Okay, compare them side by side, you will see that iPhone 11 is thicker and the size of iPhone 11 is bigger too. And one thing that I noticed is that there are sketch marks on iPhone 11 Pro already. Okay, so on my right hand is iPhone 11 Pro, and on my left hand is iPhone 11. And now I'm gonna take the shot on lens wide. As you can see, iPhone 11 Pro have 3 lens, so if we change to 2, that is 2 zoom, the zoom lens. Alright, if I change this to 2, it will be digital zoom. Alright, let's see. And if I go to the wide lens for both of them, right here. Okay. And now I'm gonna shoot on the wide lens, straight right to the sun on both of them. Okay, right here have a bit lower right, so let's see. 1 and 0.5 on both of them. Okay, so now we are in the house and it's 5:54. I mean, it's gonna get in dark soon. And we're not turning the light on. We're gonna see how the night mode would work with our cat. Hopefully we can get that picture.
Yeah, let's see.
J-Rest.